Number 139, your classwork for quadratic equations asks, two cars leave a gas station at the same time, one traveling north and one traveling east. And after 1 hour, they are 80 miles apart. So the horizontal distance, this direct distance between them is 80 miles. And the one traveling east went 10 miles further than the one traveling north. So if the one traveling north goes distance of x, the one going east goes distance of x plus 10. So they want to know how far is it from the gas station for this east car. So since they're going directly north and directly east, we know that the angle that they make is perpendicular, which is 90 degrees. So we know we have a right triangle here. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem in order to solve this. So we know that the hypotenuse squared, which is 80 squared, is equal to side squared, which is x squared, plus the other side squared, which is x plus 10 squared. Then we have 6400 is equal to x squared plus 20x plus 100. Then rewriting in standard form, we have 2x squared plus 20x minus 6300 is equal to 0. Then there's no nice way to factor this, or we could complete the square, but it'll take a lot of time. So we'll use the quadratic formula. So we have negative b, and b is 20, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 20 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 6300, all over 2a. A is 2. So then we have negative 20 plus or minus square root of 400 plus 50,400 over 4. And getting rid of the square root, we'll have the square root of 50,800, and the square root of that is plugging into our calculator. That will be 225.39, rounding to the nearest hundredth, over 4. And since we know that the cars are going a distance, our distance has to be a positive number. So we can neglect this negative scenario and just focus on the positive. So we'll get that our x is equal to negative 20 plus 225.39 divided by 4, which is 51.35, round to the nearest hundredth in miles. And so this means that the one traveling east goes an additional 10 miles. So the one going east, we'll label that as x east, is 51.35 plus 10. So it'll be 61.35 miles.